taxi.
He's so stressed.
Just ask us to hold the show, then that's it. Okay, check your brakes.
Check your brakes.
We taxi to Bravo, which is the second one.
Checklist brakes.
Checked.
Take a brief. Under normal circumstances, well, depending on what they clear us. If you have a malfunction like an engine failure, fire step here, straight ahead to 3,000 feet and heading flight level change V2 plus 10. And go to flight. It's a checklist, one overnight ascension.
checked.
Check vehicle clearance.
Obtained.
Obtained. Below
Your
ramp
brakes.
update.
Your control.
My controls.